Cardano failed to break above a key resistance level, and if that sounds interesting to you, make sure to continue watching this video. Hey guys, Pingu Charts here. Welcome back to another Cardano analysis video. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. If you guys are interested in free $600 Bitcoin, make sure to check out the link in the bio. As you guys can see from yesterday's video on Cardano, we failed to break above this key resistance here around the 44-cent mark. I mentioned that Cardano is making sure that we do retest the support level here at 41, and the possibilities of that are pretty high. Ideally, what we want to see is a move like this where we retest the support line and then a continuation pattern. But if Cardano does break below the support level, then technically speaking, we are still in that bearish case scenario. There were two possibilities for Cardano, and I mentioned that in the previous videos. Number one was, of course, this head and shoulder pattern where we had this left shoulder and this head, and we were supposed to make the right shoulder. This was a given entry for a long position once you got this confirmation right over here that the right shoulder would have been formed. You can see a lot of traders probably got caught right over here hoping for the fact that this is the top for the right shoulder, and that's why we had this massive short squeeze for that continuation, which invalidated this head and shoulder pattern overall. Now, what could happen, obviously, is we could definitely make this a situation of a fake out and then continue pushing lower, but we have to make sure that we get that confirmation first. This is why I'm very hesitant on entering any sort of shorted positions, because of the fact that A, it is the weekend, and B, what we want to see is a pullback and see how this 41-cent support level holds. The reason why this 41 support level is so important is because you can see previously right over here, we acted as a very strong resistance on the 4-hour. If we go on the previous price analysis, you can also see that we actually tested this level twice before we got that confirmation to the downside. So there is some weight to this support level overall. This would be a great pullback opportunity because of the fact that Cardano was in this overbought territory. We can see that, and then as soon as we saw that pullback, we can wait for that 3-test confirmation, then look for that continuation. But if we do continue breaking below this formation, then I would be very skeptical to see how the 40-cent level holds. You guys already know the white line is that minor support, and that doesn't really hold much weight. So that's why that 40-cent level will become the next level for the bulls for the last case scenario, to see whether or not that can hold and then see that continuation. I did mention that as long as Cardano does hold above these levels, that the overall take profit level would be that 46 blue line, because of the fact that that's pretty much where the move set started from previous price analysis. You can see that's where the massive move and the waterfall started, so that's where that take profit zone is going to be looking for these Cardano bullish case scenarios. On the hourly time frames, we do have confirmation of a break. We are seeing multiple bearish candlesticks form, so this is why I'm leaning towards more of a short-term bounce on this 41 cents, because of the fact that you can see that on the hourly, we are starting to see already the bulls come in and take control of these wicks. If we do get a bearish engulfing candle like we saw over here, I would wait to see that confirmation, see whether or not this will act as resistance and then that continuation, or if it's going to be a fake out situation, we see this move to the downside and then another V-shaped formation breaking up higher. But that's pretty much all I have for you guys today. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. If you guys are interested in free $600 Bitcoin, make sure to check out the link in the bio, and I hope you guys have